Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Ethernet cable for smart TV you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Ethernet cable for smart TV and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Ethernet cable for smart TV so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying an Ethernet cable for a smart TV. The first thing is cable category, such as Cat5e, Cat6, or Cat7, which affects the speed and stability of your internet connection. Next, consider the cable length to ensure it comfortably reaches your TV without creating clutter or signal loss. Another important factor is the build quality, including shielding and durable connectors, which help reduce interference and ensure long-lasting performance. You should also check compatibility with your router and smart TV ports to avoid connection issues. Flat or flexible cables are useful if you need to run them under carpets or along walls. Finally, always buy from a trusted brand to ensure reliable performance and warranty support. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips.